How are you? I hope today you all are doing great. Our today's topic is division of polynomials, right? How can we divide two polynomials? Let us understand. We can understand this with the help of one example. Divide 5x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 by 1 minus 2x plus 3x squared. Okay, this is the question. Divide this by 1 minus 2x plus 3x, 1 minus 2x plus 3x squared. Then how can we divide? What are the procedures? What are the steps we have to keep in our mind before solving this question? So first step or first condition, polynomials must be arranged. So whether we have to check it is arranged or not in decreasing power of x. So this is 5x cubed, highest power, then 2, then 1, then constant. So it means this is arranged. While this expression is not arranged, because highest power must be written first, then x, then constant. So first of all we have to arrange this. Okay, now answer. Divide this, 5x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. This must be divided by this, but we have to write it in arranged form. So this is 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. Highest power 3x squared, then minus 2x, then plus 1. This is our first condition. Now, how can we divide it? First, we will focus on first term of this and first term of this. By the way, what is called? This is dividend, this is divisor. Whatever we will get over here, that is called quotient, and whatever we will get over here, that is called remainder. So first term of dividend and first term of divisor we have to check. So divide 5x cubed, somewhere here, this is rough word, 5x cubed over 3x squared, and calculate it. So this is 5 over 3, x cubed over x squared, that is x. So 5 over 3x we got, which you have to write here, 5 over 3x you have to write. Then this work is done. Now we got this done. Now multiply this with all, everyone, 1, 2, 3 terms. Multiply this with these. Then this is my rough work, 5 over 3x times 3x squared. Then 3 and 3 cancel, 5x and x squared, we will get 5x cubed. So this is 5x cubed. Then multiply this with this. So 5x over 3 times minus 2x, right? So 5 minus 2 is minus 10 over 3 and x squared. So I will write minus 10x squared over 3. Okay, that's good. Now again, this 5x over 3 will multiply this 1. Then 5x over 3 times 1 is 5x over 3, which I have to write over here. Now, we have to take difference. When you will take difference, then 5x cubed minus 5x cubed, that is 0. Then this is minus 3x squared and minus of minus 10x squared over 3, which we have to calculate. So this is minus 3x squared minus minus plus, which is 10x squared over 3. So 3 and minus 3, which is minus 9, minus 9x squared plus 10, which is x squared over 3 only. So I have to write x plus x squared over 3. So we have subtracted over here. Now we have to subtract this minus this. So this is 2x minus 5x over 3, right? 2x minus 5x over 3. So 3 times 2x, what is that? 6x. 6x minus 5x, x. So we got x over 3, which I have to write here, x over 3 we got. Now, minus 1 is remaining, which I will keep as it is, minus 1. Okay? We can divide until we get less power than 3x square. I mean over here, when this degree is greater than this one or equal to, then we can divide. So right now degree of this one is 2 and here is also 2, so we can divide it. So again you have to focus first this and this. Do it some calculation. X square over 3 over, what is that? 3x square. This is 3x square. So you will write x square over 3 times 1 over 3x square, x square cancel. 3 times 3 is 9. So you got 1 over 9. Right? Again, if you want, then you can understand. See, this is x square over 3 divided by 3x square. You can write like this, and then x square over 3 times, you have to reciprocal, you have to take reciprocal of this, which is 1 over 3x square. X square and x square cancel. 1 over 3 times 3 is 9. Right? So this over this, we got 1 over 9. It means we have to write 1 over 9 here. So how are you getting this one? You are dividing first term of this and first term of this, then you got 1 over 9. Now, this 1 over 9 you have to multiply with all. So multiply. Now 1 over 9 times 3x square. This 3 and this 9, so this is x square over 3, which you have to write here, x square over 3. Now, this 1 over 9 you have to multiply with minus 2x. So 1 over 9 you have to multiply with minus 2x. So you got minus 2x over 9, right? 1 minus 2x is minus 2x and over 9. So minus 2x over 9 we got. So this is minus 2x over 9. This 1 over 9 you have to multiply this 1. So 1 times 1 over 9 is only 1 over 9. Now again we have to take difference. This is difference. We have to take difference. So this is x square over 3 minus x square over 3, that is 0, right? Then do some calculation. This is x over 3 minus, what is that? Minus 2x over 9. Okay? This is x over 3, then we have to take difference, that's why minus, and minus 2x over 9. So this is x over 3 plus 2x over 9, and we know this is 5x over 9. Why? You can write 3x and over here 3x, that is 9 and 9, which I wrote in denominator. 3x plus 2x, 5x over 9. So I got here 5x over 9. And this is minus 1, then minus 1 and minus 1 over 9. So minus 1 over 9 minus 10 over 9. Minus 9 will multiply with this minus 1. So 9 times minus 1, minus 9, minus 1, minus 10 over 9. So I got minus 10 over 9. Now we have to check whether we can divide further or not. So degree of this statement is 1 because x raised to 1. So this is x and here x square. So now we cannot divide this. So this is our division. Now we have to understand. I told you this is called dividend. This is called divisor. Remaining part is called remainder, and this is called quotient, which we get, that is called quotient. So this is all about division of polynomials. We will understand one more result over here. Now we have to learn this result. Dividend equals quotient times divisor plus remainder. So just now we have seen one example. Over there we found dividend was 5x cubed minus 3x square plus 2x minus 1. It was your divisor in the previous example. 3x square minus 2x plus 1. And the quotient we got 5x over 3 plus 1 over 9. And remainder we got 5x minus 9 minus 10 over 9. Right? Now I want to verify this result. quotient times divisor plus remainder equals dividend we will get or not. So I'm going to use all these values over here. Quotient times divisor plus remainder. Quotient means 5x over 3 plus 1 over 9 times divisor 3x square minus 2x plus 1, and remainder is 5x over 9 minus 10 over 9. So now it's a calculation part which I will explain too. 5x over 3 times 3x square, 5x cube you will get, 3 and 2 got cancelled. 5x minus 2, which is minus 10x square over 3, and 5x over 3 times 1, 5x over 3, 1 over 9 times 3x square. This 3 and this 9 will cancel, you will have x square over 3 only. 1 over 9 minus 2x, so minus 2x over 9 you will get, and 1 over 9 times 1, 1 over 9 you will get, right? And then 5x over 9 minus 10 over 9 is there. Now next step, 5x cube alone, x cube only one term we have, so 5x cube we got. Now minus 10x square over 3 plus x square over 3, minus 10 plus 1, minus 9 over 3, minus 3, that's why minus 3x square. This is 5x over 3, I wrote as it is. Now this is minus 2x over 9 and 5x over 9, so denominator is same, so minus 2x plus 5x plus 3x over 9, so x over 9 you will have, 3 over 9 is 1 over 3, so x over 9 you will get, and this is 1 over 9 and minus 10 over 9, 1 minus 10 minus 9, minus 9 over 9, minus 1 you will get, so this is minus 1, and then 5x cube minus 3x square, 5x over 3 plus x over 3, so 5x plus x, 6x over 3, that is 2x minus 1. So quotient times quotient times divisor plus remainder, we got this value. Now we have to check, is it dividend or not? Dividend was 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2x minus 1. Oh wow, so it's same, it's equal to dividend, right? It means this result is valid. I hope you understood this concept. Dividend is always equals quotient times divisor plus remainder. Now we are going to learn this example. Find the quotient and remainder when 2x cubed plus 3x square minus 4x plus 5 is divided by x plus 2. Okay? So let's get started. This is 2x cubed plus 3x square minus 4x plus 5 and x over 2. My first step was divide this by this. So 2x cubed over x. So this is 2x square. It means this is 2x square. Then this 2x square will multiply with this x, which is 2x cubed. 2x square times 2, that is 4x square. Now I have to take difference. 2x cubed minus 2x cubed, 0. 3x square minus 4x square. Minus x square I will get. And this is minus 4x and this is plus 5. Okay? Now again, this minus x square, we have to divide by this x. So minus x square over x, which is minus x. So minus x I have to write over here. This minus x we have to multiply these two. So minus x times x. Minus x square minus x times 2. By the way, how did I get this? So minus x times x minus x square, that's how I got minus x square here. Okay. Now minus x times 2. So minus x times 2, which is minus 2x. So I got minus 2x over here. Now again I have to take difference. So minus x square and minus x square subtracted, 0. Minus 4x minus of minus 2x. So minus 4x minus plus 2x. So I got minus 2x. So this is minus 2x, right? And this is plus 5. Plus 5. Now we have to decide whether it would be further divisible or not. So let's check. Degree is 1, over here is 1. So if degree is same, then you can divide. This is minus 2x, this is x. So yeah, it is divisible you have to divide. So now this minus 2x over this x cancel, we got minus 2. So I have to write minus 2 over there, and this minus 2 we have to multiply these two. So minus 2 times x minus 2x minus 2 times 2, which is minus 4. Now I have to take difference. So minus 2x and minus 2x, difference is 0, and this is 5 minus of minus 4, which is 5 plus 4, which is 9. So I got 9, right? So question is, find quotient. Quotient is 2x squared minus x minus 2. Find remainder. Remainder is plus 9. I hope you understood. Okay, now we will understand another example. The polynomial x raised to 4 plus x cubed minus 5x squared plus ax minus 4 is denoted by px. So this is my px. It is given that px is divisible by x squared plus 2x minus 4. It is given that px is divisible. Divisible means when you divide this by this, then there will be no remainder. Remainder will be 0. Indirectly, this statement is given. Remainder is 0. That's why they have given divisible by. So when this polynomial is divisible by this polynomial, so remainder will be 0. Yeah, this concept we understood. Now then find the value of a. Actually, in this expression, a is introduced somewhere. So by calculation, we need to find value of a. So let's understand. This is x raised to 4, x cubed minus 5x squared plus ax minus 4, and this is x squared plus 2x minus 4. Then how can we divide? Again, I am explaining. This x raised to 4, this is x squared, right? So x raised to 4 over x squared. What you will get? X squared. That's why x squared I have written here. Now this x squared you have to multiply with this x squared. X squared times x squared. X raised to 4 you will get. X squared times 2x. Then 2x cubed you will get. X squared times 4. Then minus 4x squared you will get. Now you have to take difference. Then x raised to 4 minus x raised to 4, that is 0. X cubed minus 2x cubed, because you are taking difference. Then x cubed minus, if you are confused over there, then you can write x cubed minus 2x cubed separately, then it would be minus x cubed. So somehow it's minus x cubed, then minus 5x squared and minus 4x squared. You are taking difference, so 5x squared minus of minus 4x squared, then 5x squared plus it is minus 5x squared and minus of minus 4x squared. So minus 5x squared plus 4x squared, right? So minus x squared we got. That's how I got minus x squared here. Then ax as it is I have to write, minus 4 as it is I have to write. Now this is minus x cubed and this is x squared. So it is divisible. So minus x cubed over minus x. Minus x cubed over x squared only. Then minus x I will get. Minus x cubed over x squared minus x I will get. That's why here I have written minus x. Now this minus x you have to multiply with this x squared. Then you will have minus x cubed. Minus x times 2x minus 2x squared. Minus x times minus 4 you will have plus 4x. Then again you have to take difference, which is minus x cubed and minus x cubed. 0 difference, minus x squared and minus minus plus 2x squared plus x squared you will have. Ax, and here we have to take, this is what? This is 4x, right? Yeah. So here we have to take difference. Ax minus 4x, right? So ax minus 4x, when you take x common, then you have to write a minus 4. It is not a plus 4. It is a minus 4, right? How? You have to understand it once more. Minus x cubed 0, minus x squared and minus x squared and minus of this minus 2x squared. So minus x squared plus 2x squared. That's how we got plus x squared here. But this is ax and this is minus 4x. If we take x common, then we will get a minus 4. That's why x outside a minus 4. And minus 4 as it is we have to write. Then this is x square, right? This x square, this is also x square. So x square over x square. What is that? 1. So here I have to write 1. Then 1 times x square. X square. 1 times 2x, that is 2x. 1 times minus 4, that is minus 4. Now x square and x square got cancelled. Now we have to take difference of these two. So let us understand. X square is 0 plus this is x times a minus 4 and this is minus 2x, right? Then I will take x common. Then a minus 4 minus 2 I will get. Then x common, a minus 6 I will get. A, this is a. A minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. So x I will take common, then a minus 6 I will get. Then here I have to write x times a minus 6 and this is minus 4 and we are subtracting. So minus 4 minus of minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 which is 0. So this is 0. So we got this x and this is x square. Right? Now you cannot divide because degree is smaller than this. What was the question? Question was this polynomial is divisible by this polynomial. It means remainder is 0. But right now we got some remainder. But this is given in the question. Remainder is 0, divisible. So we have to make it 0. How can we make it 0? A minus x. If we put value of a as 6, then 6 minus 6 would be 0. So here you have to write, since exactly divisible, exactly what is not given, but divisible, it means exactly divisible, then remainder must be 0. What is remainder? X times a minus 6 equals to 0. Then here a minus 6 would be 0, then a equal to 6. So what is the question? Find the value of a. A is 6. So I hope you understood this concept, division of polynomials, how to divide those two polynomials, and different questions also I have given. So if you did not understand, then go through the video once more, then I'm sure you can understand. Thank you very much.